Hey there, everyone. It's the holiday season, a time for joy, family, and festive decorations. But guess what? You don't have to spend a fortune to bring Christmas cheer into your home. Today, we're exploring 5 affordable Christmas trees, all priced between $10 and $20. First up is the National Tree Company pre-lit artificial mini Christmas tree for just $16.99. Perfect for small spaces, it adds a warm glow wherever you place it. Next, we have the Product Works 24-inch Charlie Brown Christmas tree at $12.49. It's a nostalgic nod to the classic special. What a lovely way to spark holiday memories. For the creative souls, check out the 30 PCS Christmas Decorations mini trees at $19.99. Use them as table centerpieces or in festive arrangements around your home. Then there's the cute desktop miniature pine tree for $9.99. It's a fun way to keep the holiday spirit alive in your workspace. Lastly, the Kurt Adler 12 miniature pine tree at $11.27 is ideal for creating charming centerpieces. With options like these, you can spread holiday cheer without overspending. Let's embrace the season of togetherness and creativity. Find the best Christmas tree for your home. Click the link in the description to buy now and make your holidays magical. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to visit our website for amazing deals.